Hi guys, and welcome back to another bridal hair installation and styling vlog. Please keep on watching to see how I was able to achieve this beautiful style, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It's my It's my I'm using a gel to lay her edges, just to brush it to the back, and after that I'm going to use the got2b spray and use my hand dryer just so that there is no hair flying away or that is not in place. Guys, today I'm using this burgundy red hair. This is the first bride I am going to be installing a colored hair for, and I was so excited. Like, I could not wait to see the final look, and you all know from the intro the final look was amazing. Like, my bride was briding literally at this point. So yeah guys, please keep on watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, it is free. Like I always say, it is free. You're not paying for anything. Just subscribe to support me and get me to 1,000 subscribers. Guys, the year is not over, so I can actually still get to at least 1,000 subscribers, but I can't do that without you guys. So please subscribe to my channel. So after placing the frontal on her head, I use a concealer to mark out where the glue is supposed to start from, because I do this so that the frontal would be aligned with each other, so it won't be that the right side of the frontal is back and the left side is coming forward. Like, I wanted everything to just balance well. So after marking the lace, I'll go ahead to make sure there are no flyaway hair, so I can have a flawless installation. So I start to apply my lace glue. I find out using a brush is faster because it's like a makeup brush, so I just use the tail to get the glue placed on her skin. Guys, as you can see, I'm trying not to place the glue on her hairline. I'm making sure it's directly on her skin. Even if it's on her hair, it's just like a little bit of baby hair. So I'm using the tip of the brush to get the glue, and I'm using the brush itself to spread it out. Guys, please make sure your glue is not too thick at a time, because it takes a while for it to dry up. So you have to make sure your glue is as thin as possible, because I found out that if I apply too much glue at a time and I don't spread it out evenly, it doesn't dry clear. As you can see, the part that I had already done by the right hand side is already clear. So the glue actually dries fast, but only when you use a less amount of glue and you spread it evenly. So that's what I'm going to be doing. This video is self-explanatory. I don't have to really talk through it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Now I'm putting the second layer of the glue after the first layer is cleared. As you can see, I'm making sure I spread it out, and any glue that is not in place, I use my face wipes to clean it off. And make sure the hair is the glue is tacky before you lay your lace on the glue. After the glue is clear, as you can see, you can't see any white residue, and go ahead to lay the frontal on the glue. I start from the right down to the left, and my bride is assisting me to hold it in place so it doesn't shift backwards while I try to place the other side on the glue. So guys, anywhere that you see that is still lifting, anywhere that the glue does not get to, you can just take a little bit of the glue and place it on her skin. Then when it's dried clear, you lay the frontal back on. This just helps to make sure that there's no any excess glue coming out of the hairline. This side bun is always tricky because most time it doesn't glue in quickly, so I always go ahead to apply more glue by the ear side, and after that I place it down and blow dry to make sure everything is dry and the hair is not lifting. yeah, this is the final look, guys. This color was popping. Like, I didn't even know that colored hair, especially red hair, can be so beautiful on a bridal hairstyle. Guys, I did this hair, like I installed everything. Like I'm really getting really professional and good at this. Like, this is so flawless, it's beautiful. Like, I felt like I was the bride. I felt I should be the one wearing the robe with this beautiful hair. And I'm actually considering using this hairstyle when I'm getting married, using this hair color or something bright like a gold hair color. Yeah, please guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And yeah, keep on watching to see the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.